Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I wasn't honestly going to drop today's video, but I figured let me go ahead and record a video, and that's actually the whole concept of today's video, which is staying consistent. And the biggest issue that everybody here has, or not everybody here, but people who are bloggers are going to have, is just staying consistent with their blog post. Today's Memorial Day. It's pretty late in the day. It's 9:34 p.m. And I thought to myself, I told myself, you've been doing videos every day. Just don't do a video today, right? Just don't do one. And the reality is that I preach consistency. I preach that working on blogs is important. And today I've worked on blogs. I've worked on my websites. I've worked on my niche sites. But how valuable would my words be if I didn't actually stay consistent in front of you guys? If I sat here and said stay consistent and I was doing a video once a week or maybe twice a week or even 5 times a week, but not every single day, then I wouldn't be true to my words. And I think today's call to action, out of all the different days there are, is that no matter if there's a holiday, no matter if there's a celebration, whatever the situation, make time for your blog because it will make money for you. And the reason why I say that, and I think that's crucially important, is because at the end of the day, your blog is waiting to pay you money. And it's just a matter of time till traffic increases, the blog gets better consistently, and everything improves. So if you're listening to this, right, and you're thinking about not doing work on your blog today, getting a break, or taking a day off, even though that one day is probably not going to harm you too much, it's the mentality that you can take a day off is going to harm you, because it's never going to be just that one day. One day is going to become 2 days. In the future, you're going to have other days where you're, let's say, not putting in effort. Even when you do work on those days, the effort is going to be weaker. So I don't think that you have to worry about burnout. What I do think is that burnout exists with people who aren't truly doing what they're happy with doing. If you notice, 80% or more of the population who go to jobs on a day-to-day basis, who work for someone else, are not happy at their jobs. And they want to take a vacation after. They want to take a break, right? But if you have your own blog, your own business, you're not going to have to take a break from that. Even if you're on vacation, you take your laptop with you. You get some work done. This is a blog here that I do a little bit of work every day. A little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot. And I preach to you guys this. And those little wins, day by day, add up to large wins over a very long period of time. A year, 2 years from now, I'm going to look back and say, you know what? We make $2,500 off this blog every single month. Passively, I don't work for it anymore. I don't put any effort in. But it was all because that work that I did last year or the year before, whatever the case may be. So if you guys are listening to this and there's one message across all messages for blogging, the only message that truly matters, the message that conquers all, is stay consistent. And like I said, I decided to stay consistent with these videos today because I didn't want to be the guy that tells people to do something that is not doing it himself. So the only way I could prove that consistency matters is by getting on this YouTube video. Obviously, you guys don't see the behind the scenes to my businesses, to the things that I'm doing, but you get to see this video. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye.